Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this quick easy glam. I did post this on Instagram, but so many of you wanted to know what lipstick I'm wearing, how to get this eye look, so here I am posting it on my channel, showing you guys everything. So I already have my brows done and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand as my eyeshadow base. I'm now going to take an orange eyeshadow for the crease area. This is the Soph Times Revolution Extra Spice palette. And yeah, just roughly buffing that into the crease in the outer corner. Literally just use one shade. And then I use this NYX glitter. I'm going to write the shade in the info box as all the products as well. I use the Revolution Hydrate Primer and mix that kind of with the glitter and it helped that to stick on. I'm using now the Balm Swing Liner and creating a simple wing cat liner. I think this liner really added to the glam look, and if you really practice your liner then you can glam up any look. The lashes that I'm using here are the Lorella London lashes in Cocoa. They're super wispy and spiky and I just love these lashes for my eyes, and again it really added to the glam look, I think. Now I'm using that Hydrate Primer by Revolution, and this primer is so nice. I've been loving it so much since my skin's really dry, and it's kind of tacky but also really moisturizing but not oily in any way. I'm now using the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation in Tawny and just buffing this all over my skin. This is the Hourglass foundation brush, the Vanish foundation brush that I'm using to buff it out. But again, you can use any makeup tool you want to blend out the foundation, but this cushion one is really good. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris More Than Concealer in Toffee and just applying this under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin as per usual. And I'm using this Eco Tools concealer brush to blend everything out. And I also use it to kind of clean up the wing liner as well. Next I'm going to grab some MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Tan just to set my under eyes. And I'm sorry, the clip is a bit out focus, my bad, but I need to be more careful with that. And I'm also using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep to really bronze up my face. I've been loving this bronzer so much lately, it's so good, but it's just a perfect colour and it just does the job really well. I'm also going to move on to blush. I'm using the LA Girl Just Peachy blush, again another favourite product of mine, and I'm just going to buff this on the apples of my cheeks. Next I'm going to take some Laura Geller Dew Dreamer drops in Gilded Honey. This works better when you buff it in with a brush or your fingers. It's not that great with a beauty blender, so just bear that in mind, but it's so nice for just a transparent dewy glow on the cheeks. I'm using my Lash Sensation to pop some mascara on my lower lashes, and then onto lips I'm using the Zoeva liquid lipstick in About Turn. I can't tell you guys how many questions I've had about this lip, but it's so beautiful, the colour's amazing, and yeah, definitely recommend it. And by the way, my earrings are from Primark. So if you want to see more makeup tutorials like this, let me know guys. I love you so much, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!